Hi, I'm Professor James Heyman in McAllister's Physics and Astronomy Department, and I'm hoping I can answer some questions you might have about our program here at McAllister. Let's see, first, people often ask why they should study physics at a liberal arts college like McAllister instead of a university, like the University of Minnesota. Well, liberal arts colleges are actually a great place to study science. We actually send a much larger fraction of our students on to become scientists, even than the big universities do. Because here, you can really study science in depth and you can explore your other interests as well. So another reason to come to a school like McAllister is you can explore your diverse interests. If you're interested in many things, you can study physics, but you can also study music or English or anthropology at the same time. The barriers are very low here to explore your broader interests. You might be wondering what makes McAllister's program distinctive, even compared to other liberal arts colleges. Well, first of all, we offer a full range of courses in physics, including the standard courses like electricity and magnetism and quantum mechanics and statistical mechanics, and we offer a computational physics as well as topics courses like general relativity and particle physics and condensed matter physics on a rotating basis. But the other things that make us distinctive are our emphasis on research. We think doing research is very important for preparing you to be a future scientist. And we make sure to offer opportunities to do research with us in our laboratories, and we're here in my laboratory on ultrafast optics and condensed matter physics right now. But also encourage you to explore off-campus research opportunities at universities and internships as well. In fact, research is required in our program. Everyone must do an original research project as part of their capstone or honors project to major in physics. So we think it's super important. Another distinctive thing about McAllister is our location. Because we're here in the Twin Cities, we're close to resources like the University of Minnesota, which has lectures and seminars in physics, and also offers opportunities for research collaborations between our faculty. I myself have a research collaboration where I bring students to use equipment at the University of Minnesota that would be beyond the scale of my lab here at McAllister. There are also opportunities for internships with local companies. People often ask about the size of our program. Of course, we're a small college and our program is small. We have 5 faculty in physics, all of us research active. We graduate between 10 and 14 students in physics every year, usually, although this year we're actually graduating 20. And so we have something like 30 to 50 majors on campus at any time. One of the other great things about our institution, because it's small, is that we can work really closely with our students. Many of our classes are small with 5 to 10 students in them, and that gives us the opportunity to work closely with you and to really tailor what we do to what we think that you need. Also, students who've graduated from our program have gone on to great opportunities in a variety of areas. So we've sent students to graduate programs at Cornell, University of Minnesota, the University of California, and other top schools. We're also very proud of what our students have done after graduating from McAllister. So McAllister students in our department have stepped on to graduate programs in physics and engineering at schools like Cornell and University of California and University of Minnesota, MIT, and other great graduate programs. One thing I often see are students who are interested in engineering as a possible career. Of course, McAllister doesn't have an engineering college, but it is common for students in physics to get their degree from Macalester and then go on and get a master's degree in engineering or a PhD as a way of starting their career. And our students have had great success getting into the best engineering programs in the country.